Hi guys, today I am back and I am here with another palette bingo, this time using the beautiful Rose Gold Remastered palette from Huda Beauty. I thought this would be really fun because these tones all work very beautifully together. So I am going to randomly generate four or five shades and then we'll see where we feel and then we're going to go in and create a fun look with them. So if you're excited to see what colors I pull and what look I come up with, just keep watching. So I like to use my graphing calculator just because I can pull all four numbers at once and then I don't get repeats. So I have my lower is 1 and my upper is 18, which is the number of shades in this palette, and then I'm going to pull, I'll start with 4. So let's see. Okay, my numbers are 16, 12, 4, and 18. So I start in the upper left-hand corner and then I work across just because I'm like that. Ooh. Okay, so I'm not going to do this quite in order, but number 4 is the shade Rose Gold, which is that beautiful, like, warm, pinky champagne gold right there. Number 12 is the shade Bubbly, which is this. This I would consider more of a rose gold just because it's like a warm, pink toned gold shade, and then this is a pink undertone, and this is a pink tone, I guess is what I'm trying to say. And then 16 is that red shade called Maneater, and then 18 is the shade Sandalwood. Do I want to pull one more? No, I'll leave it at this. Okay. I'm starting with a little bit of my Lorac behind the scenes eye primer. Then I'm just going to go with this big fluffy brush and the shade Halo from my Tarte Park Avenue Princess bronzer palette, and I'm just going to lightly dust over the eye primer in my crease up to my brow bone. Then I'm going to take the shade Sandalwood and I'm just going to fluff this in my crease and just lay down a nice faded base for the rest of the colors we'll be working with. I'm definitely taking my eyeshadow out in a little bit bigger shape than I normally do, just to kind of play around. I'm just going to take this little pencil brush and that Sandalwood shade and drag it on my lower lash line. I feel like I don't really get to play with makeup as much as I used to anymore. It's just too bad. Sometimes I just feel like, I don't want to say I don't have time, because I do. I could make time. But, I don't know, just like sitting around the house is like a waste of a beautiful face. So the only time I ever really play is when I'm filming. Because even when we have friends over, I tend to go for like stable looks that I know will turn out how I want them to. Next I'm going to take the shade in between Maneater and Sandalwood. It's called Henna, and I'm just going to dip into that. And I'm going to take a little bit and fluff it in the crease, but a little bit lower than where I put that Sandalwood shade, just to create some depth. I'm just going to clean off my brush a little bit and then kind of fluff everything around more. Because it wouldn't be a Jasmine video if I didn't have to edit out 5 minutes of blending the same eyeshadow color. I'm going to be honest, I don't know what week this will go up. Probably week after next, so after Carmen comes and visits. As of when I'm filming this, I really dropped the ball last week. I didn't upload it all. I filmed a video. I filmed 2 videos. But I totally dropped the ball. I did not say what I'm doing. I'm going in with that Maneater shade and I'm just kind of laying it on the outer corner of my eye. I did not edit the video I filmed. I did not post anything. I think I posted one thing to Instagram. Bad YouTuber. But it's okay. I was just overwhelmed with school. I needed to focus on that a little bit. And now I'm back and hopefully I'll be better. To be completely honest, I don't have enough content to post 2 days a week indefinitely. I think that next year when I have more project pans, it'll be easier. And also, I'll like be more comfortable with this, so I might be able to taking that Manier shade and dragging it across my lower outer half of my lash line. So it might be easier for me to come up with content, but as of right now, it's just a lot of palette bingos with the same 2 palettes I have. I'm thinking when I go home for holiday, I'm going to pre-film a bunch of videos that I can't film here. So I'll do stuff like favorite shade in every palette, stuff like that. Now I'm just gonna lay down that bubbly shade across my lid. But if there's any like whole collection content you wish to see out of me, put it in the comments bar below. I'll also probably do like a ton of palette bingos. My mom will love that. She'll be like, why do you have 14 different shades on your eye? And I'll be like, Mom, this is just what I do now. I randomly generate eyeshadow because I can't pick for myself. And then she'll tell me I'm weird. I also popped a little bit of that bubbly shade on the inner corner. And then now I'm just going to take that rose gold shade and I'm going to press it on top, more on the center of my lid, kind of where it meets that red shade. So I think I'm just going to go in with a little bit of my Becca highlighter in the shade Opal and pop that on top of the bubbly shade in the inner corner just to add a little bit more brightness. I'm going to go quickly finish off my face and I will be right back with the finished product. Hi, I am back with the finished look. So I had a blush, highlight, mascara, some lipstick, and I am very happy with how this turned out. But if you liked this video, you like palette bingos, you like me, please like, comment, subscribe, all that jazz, and I hope to see you back here for the next video. Bye guys!